Yeah, well, I am actually a social scientist, so I'm from the School for Policy Studies, and I'm talking from the Centre for Socio-Digital Futures, which is an ESRC 5-year investment, which is bringing together social scientists with engineers and people from arts and humanities to think about how the social, the digital and futures kind of interact. So in particular, the project I'm running is looking at predictive analytic systems in use through lots and lots of local authorities to assess risk for young people in social care. The system I've been investigating for the last 2 years is a system called Think Family in Bristol. It was developed by Avon and Somerset Police. It's been run by Bristol City Council. It's essentially a massive data linkage system, but it has risk modelling associated with it. And in particular, we're interested in the impacts of potential bias or implicit bias, as we see it, in these systems because of the kinds of data that's being brought together and the way that the system is learning. It's a system that's attracted a lot of attention. I am hoping to access the source data, the algorithms and the training data sets, working with our engineering colleagues to do a proper assessment of this system. Thank you.